Ginevra. Ginevra. Say hello to the world. We are in trouble. This is a mess. But Ginevra found the special place to rest. Rosella, why we are in trouble?
First of all, let me say ciao, beautiful family of Sicily Lovers. We are in trouble because we have no spaces anymore in this house. Our house became a store.
A store.
Full of boxes.
Everywhere. Let me display the other boxes.
I feel like Santa Claus. I feel like it's Christmas time, you know? So we are very, very happy to complete the pre-orders. This part of boxes are only the pre-orders part. So look at this. A lot of work.
we have no table where to dine, where to eat. Look at the table. Also, the table is full of items.
Our living room doesn't exist anymore. Our sofa doesn't exist anymore. So, please, if you want Gianca and Rosella at your home, we can pack ourselves as well.
Allora, aspetta che mi inquadro pure io. Hello everyone. No, we have the
light
back. So, this is better. We are so happy. Very, very tired, but we are so happy because in a few hours we are waiting for the courier.
Yeah.
He will pick the first 10 orders, the 10 boxes.
Yeah.
As you can see, our house is full of boxes, and we will ship all these orders in the next days. So tomorrow we have booked another appointment with the courier for the next 15 orders, and the day after, another appointment. So for the next 3 days we will ship. This is our job, our work.
Boxes are ready, and so now it's only the time to wait for the courier.
Yeah, let me say hello to Maureen. Ciao Maureen. Ciao Katie, Sicily Lover, Katie O'Brien. Katie, where's Katie's box?
Here.
Let me switch.
It's time to pack.
So in the sofa we have Katie's box, Katie's items.
Yeah.
Then we were just packing Rosella Gonzalez box, and as you can see, we have already packed all these boxes. But we had to schedule different appointments with the courier, with DHL courier, because their truck is not enough for our orders.
And we have other packed to set up, no? After the pre-order, no? So be patient. All the items will reach your house from Sicily, directly from Sicily, with love and passion. And everything is handmade. Also, I would like to say that also the boxes are handmade in Sicily. So not from other, can I say, companies
abroad. So
no.
we didn't buy the boxes on Amazon,
Yeah.
on eBay. So for example, show this, Rosella. So this is so beautiful. So this is how do you say? This is the result. Let me see the cover. This is the result of Jonella's hand-painted T-shirt collection. So you can see the different hearts, the different variations of the Sicily Lover logo. We have prickly pears, lemons, the Sicilian cartwheel, the Moorish hats, the sun.
They are not from China. They are handmade in Sicily. You can see all the, can I say,
the imperfections, the flaws.
Yes, don't consider.
This is handmade, guys.
Yeah.
Handmade here in Palermo, you have to say. And also the boxes
Yeah.
were made in Palermo. So we have also the how do you say the results of the boxes to protect your orders, your items. Show this is not a garbage bag. Apilo.
For the pottery.
So to protect your artworks. And also we have the pluriball.
Yes, and we are using 2 boxes for the ceramic, not for the pottery. The white one for the interior part, and the brown for the outside. And you can
box.
see it's called double waves.
Yeah, this is a special kind of box to protect your artworks, in particular the delicate pottery artworks.
Yeah, and now it's time to make 1 or 2 packages live.
We were just closing the order from Roseanne, by Roseanne Gonzalez.
It's your turn now, Gianca.
Thank you, Rosella.
Sorry for Ginevra.
I don't want to disturb Ginevra. Ginevra. In this mess, Ginevra found a special place to rest. Don't look me in anger, please. I'm saying that you are special. Ginevra, say hello to the world. Come on. So, did I say no? Later. I want to say it later. So this is for Roseanne. We have some jewelry, 3 boxes for jewelry. This is a special packaging that I wanna explain later. Okay?
Yeah. And 1 item of pottery. You can see the pluriball here to protect
pottery. So I put this to protect it better. Sorry, Ginevra.
In the meantime, someone asked, "What are you selling?" Would you like to say something about maybe you are new here, Sara Butera?
Sara, this is the biggest, not only the first, but also the biggest online store in the world dedicated to Sicily, dedicated to the Sicilian craftsmanship, the Sicilian handmade artworks. More, now we can say more, we have to upgrade the website, more than 800 different items. And so, guys, this is your chance to find traditional artworks. We are talking about some, how do you say, craftsmanship that are disappearing. So, like the making of the basket, the traditional Sicilian jewelry with the tatting style, or the bobbin lace. Pottery, of course, is a world famous thing because Sicilian pottery, Sicilian ceramic is very, very popular. But you can find hundreds of different items in ceramic. We have the special Sicilian clothing collection, so everything is handmade. Crochet, made by the special, skillful hands of Daniela. We have as I said, the collection of Sicilian hand painting t-shirt. This is not hand painted. This is our institutional logo.
But
switch on you,
mine
Rosella.
is hand painted by the hands of Jonella. So you can find a lot of things. Visit our online store, SiciliLover.com. Ciao, Sherry, don't worry. Also, your package is ready.
there.
Let me check. It's very big. It's very big, Gianca.
Sherry,
Because
Sherry.
this is yours. So a big box for you.
With a special cash pot
Yeah.
from Sicily, a pottery cash pot. So, I would like to pack Katie O'Brien's
Yeah.
items. There are many, so be careful. I already packed and protect the beauty. Here we are again. So I'm so sorry because the internet connection is not good. Yesterday we tried to make a live broadcast, but Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram were down. You know, in the entire planet. Today is a very bad day in Sicily. Please, Rosella, show the beautiful landscape. Today is completely rainy, and there are some bolts, some thunders, and so perhaps if the internet connection is not so good, it's a little bit weak.
It's raining a lot.
But we have to pray all together because we are waiting for a beautiful group of people from Switzerland in a few days. So we want the best for them. So we are expecting only sunny days. So let's pray all together because they deserve the best. Katie, this is for you. There are many things. So as Rosella said, we are using two different boxes. We are also using the result of the boxes to protect your artworks. This is a beautiful plate with the Sicilian paladin. I don't wanna display it because it's very well protected, so I don't wanna pack again. Poi ci sono un sacco di cose meravigliose, guys. Che cos'è questo? Oh, this is our Sicily Lover logo.
Pocket emptier.
Pocket emptier. Then we have. This is the drummer, the tambourine. Sorry, the traditional Sicilian tambourine. It's better we put there. Then we have. I don't remember what it is. Oh, this is the sun. The pottery sun.
The pottery all together in the white box.
This is a Sicily shape souvenir. Come si chiama in I don't know in Italian.
It's a sort also pocket emptier.
Yeah, you can hang it
also,
or you can use it as a pocket emptier. Then we have. This is a surprise. I don't wanna reveal it.
Haha. To bring a lucky charm, we can say, no?
Yeah, a lucky charm. The horse show band. This is in iron, of course, and this is hand painted by Antonella in Aci Sant'Antonio in the province of Catania. And be careful. Put in this way with the horns toward the sky. is a very, very, how do you say, powerful talisman. The evil will be trapped in this U-shape talisman. You know, the evil, the devil, the bad things can only go down, not to the sky, because in the sky there is heaven. So put in this way, not in this way. This is the right formula to work. And I think it's better to separate from the ceramic.
Yes.
We put there. Also, I would like to separate this.
Yeah, the tambourine, yeah.
Or no. Perhaps it's not necessary. Okay. Oh. There are three different things. One is a surprise. Then we have a jewelry. And then we have...
This is the ring.
Yeah, this is the ring. I don't want to reveal the surprise because this is for Katie. And this is by... Do you remember?
By Tania.
Is it Tania? Yeah. The queen of the brass jewelry, inspired by the Sicilian flowers. This is a sunflower ring. Okay? So
Katie is, can I say, a Sicily lover shopping addicted.
Addicted, yeah. Okay, and we have, this is our special packaging for our Sicilian clothes. So this is another surprise, but I would like to show this one.
The vini, the crochet vini.
This is also by Daniela, the Queen of Crochet. And guys, as you know, you can customize your items. So you can choose the color, the main color, and also the color of the flower in this case, because everything is handmade for you. And we had customized also the. This is a letter for you with some particular thanks to you because of thanks to your order, and some words from Rosella and I. And last but not least, look at that.
Guess.
This is no, I can't reveal it because it's closed by the tape.
Yeah.
The Sicily Lover tape. We customized also the tape. This is, I can say, this is an handmade and hand-painted t-shirt. Not like this, but like Rosella's t-shirt. But this is a different design, a different... Ginevra, what are you doing? This is Ginevra's play.
We need our boxes.
So,
metti lì e poi lo chiudiamo dopo perché altrimenti perdiamo un po' di tempo.
This is the most important thing, guys. We thought it was easier. We have to confess that the part regarding the courier, regarding the custom clearance is very, very difficult. This is the result. This is what this is the label that we apply, that we put on the box. But this is the result of our days, months of study.
Yeah, because we need to provide all the information to the custom now to cross the sea. Oh, Victoria, ciao. What do the arts on the box represent and on your t-shirt? Gianca, would you like to say something about our logo?
So this is the very beginning of our project. When Rosella and I started planning our project, our desire to export, to bring at your house the best Sicilian artworks. We said, which is the most popular image that represents Sicily? And we said the Sicilian cart, or the sun, or I don't know. There are many different, also the Sicily shape, but I think the trinacria is perhaps the most important symbol, because it represents life. You know, trinacria. I don't have another trinacria.
Over there?
No. I take this.
Oh, the original one.
The original. This is the original one. Each leg, you can see 3 legs, represent the 3 points of Sicily: Capo Peloro, Capo Lilibeo, and Capo Passero, in the area of Ragusa, Messina, and Trapani. The Gorgone, the Medusa, is a very mythological and ancient symbol that represents life, rebirth. You have the wheat, the grain, because Sicily was the granary of the Roman Empire. You have the snakes in the air of Medusa, that represents the rebirth. But in particular, I love this symbol because of the 3 legs represents the spiral. It's like a never-ending movement. It displays life. Lives can be stopped. So this is a sort of also a positive symbol of renovation. You can stop life. So this is a sort of lucky charmer for you, a talisman. And so we said, how we can change a little bit this symbol, because this is very popular and sometimes it's also abused. Many companies have this symbol for their logo, and so we said we could include this symbol in a heart. Heart represents our passion, our love for Sicily. But as you can see, the position of the 3 legs is different, because we had to include the trinacria into the art. So we had to change the position of the legs to make it possible. So we reinvented this trinacria symbol. So in a few words, this is the passion for our beloved island, for Sicily. I don't want to bore you guys, because I used to talk too much, but this is the very beginning of our project. And then we started involving our best artisans, the most skillful artisans in Sicily. So we have the people who embroider, people who weave, people who make pottery, jewelry. We have the basket maker, we have the painters. So we have many beautiful people. I have to say this, they are all beautiful people. They supported us from the very beginning, because it was just like a bet, a joke. Nobody knew if this project would have been a success. Now we can say thanks to all the people who are supporting us in the United States, in Canada, in Australia. This is a successful project, because we are shipping now many orders. This is the pre-order campaign. We have to say that we gave you the opportunity to take to buy these orders, these items, to have a priority shipping, because everything is handmade. So now we are I just say, Rosella, stiamo accumulando ritardi. So we are late because all the artisans involved in the project have to make many items, many artworks, and so I think that the next step will be a mess. I mean, in particular, the period between the Thanksgiving Day and the Christmas time. We will be
overloaded, so place your orders now for Thanksgiving and Christmas time.
Vieni con me, vieni con me. Oh, be careful.
Only Gianca and I are making the packagings, so we are very busy, guys.
Oh, look at the weather. Show the...
The sun of Sicily is disappeared.
Show the floor. It's raining, guys.
Wet, everything is wet.
It is raining.
A Lumaca c'è ancora?
No, se n'è andato. Let me say hello to the best, the most beautiful people that we had in the last days. We are so happy to spend wonderful days with 3 different groups of people. So, I mean, the San Filippo and the McCluskeys, they gave us this beautiful panel, Best Things to Do in Sicily, Love, Hugs and Kisses from the San Filippo 2020. This is wrong, because guys, we planned originally their trip to Sicily last year. It was not possible because of the COVID, because of the pandemic. But now they finally came to Sicily. They get home in a few days ago. Sorry, but we spent with them a beautiful tour of Sicily all together. You can check the live broadcasts. You can check also on YouTube the different episodes of their tour. We had this is from Anthony and San Filippo, another San Filippo family that we had the great pleasure to host in Palermo for a beautiful guided tour of Palermo, with an excellent English-speaking local guide, not like me and Rosella, a very professional local guide. We are not local guides, and they give us a special vodka from the Massachusetts.
Maybe we can drink after all this hard work.
Last but not least, I would like to say hello to my special friend, Jerry Genovese. This is a pistachio cream, pistachio liqueur, and I'm sorry, Jerry, this is almost empty. They are my favorite candies, jelly fruit candies, and thank you so much. But I think I'm risky now because perhaps I'm very close to the diabetic because I'm addicted to these candies. And thank you so much for your time. We spent a great time all together, and as you can see now we are. This is another item. This is for Leeds Storm. Is it correct, Rosella?
Yes, you are right. So let's package this order.
So let's display what Leeds Storm ordered. Let's start from this beautiful bag. Everything is crochet by Daniela. Also the shoulder strap is crochet. Everything is customized. You can also see the art that reminds our logo.
Put in the package.
And as I said before, I didn't say. We had also made our customized packaging, And as you can see, so this is not an item. This is the packaging for the bag and also for other clothes, other artworks. With the traditional Sicilian pattern. You can see this pattern in the beautiful maiolica of Caltagirone, in the pottery of Caltagirone, also in Santo Stefano di Camastra. What do you think about this? So you can use this bag for your personal uses. So,
for your traveling.
Then we have, Liz, look at this.
It's your cartwheel hand painted by Antonella.
Antonella is the lady who make wonderful items. Rosella, wait for me just a while. If you have enough room in your house, you can order the entire cart by Antonella with this special Sicilian style. In this case, Antonella painted a Trinacria, but you also have paladins. You also have the Sicilian landscapes.
Mount Etna as well.
Mount Etna, Acitrezza, and everything is entirely hand-painted.
And handmade, Gianca, also the art.
Sorry, this is also handmade. So another artisan, that's not Antonella, made this beautiful cart. This is wood. This is not cart or plastic. This is wood. It is carved with this man, with his hands. So, but if you have no room in your house, you can choose only the wheel or other items in the same Sicilian cart style. Ladies, this is for you. This is for your kitchen or for your table.
A beautiful runner with the typical Sicilian pattern and fringe, the yellow fringe.
Let me say, this is also the same style used in the Sicilian carts. This is very popular. Sicily Lover. We have the label, so we are not illegal, guys. We are doing everything in the best way, in the most correct way to pass the custom. We don't want our items be blocked, be stopped at the custom. So we have an international. In this case, this is not international. This is American labeling. So you can be sure that these items will be at your house. Cosa facciamo vedere? Of course, also this is...
Che dici? Lo metto lì, Gianca, e così vengo anch'io?
Sì?
Ok.
Mettilo qua. Certo, potevamo fare vedere potevamo fare vedere i gioielli prima. Sei troppo...
Ok.
Too early.
Tu parli troppo, you speak so much.
Abbiamo 3 meravigliose cose, anzi 4. 4 beautiful small boxes. So this is a bobbin lace creation.
Ne puoi uscire uno, Gianca?
Sure.
che altrimenti non si
Non me lo
apprezza.
posso mettere perché I have no holes in my ears. But this is a
Mettilo sulla mano.
special earring. And this is bobbin lace.
Non lo metti a fuoco, devi stare fermo, immobile.
Ok, tu ti avvicini e non lo metti a fuoco.
No, lo metti a fuoco e tu non ti muovi.
Okay, guys. Thanks to Cinzia. She's a very, very kind, beautiful lady from Mirabella in Baccari in the province of Catania. She's one of the last artisans who still, how do you say, preserve this beautiful tradition, the bobbin lace tradition. If you don't know what bobbin lace is, you can see our video on YouTube dedicated to all the artisans.
Also on our website is easier, Gianca.
Yeah.
The page Our Artisans is dedicated to all the 10 artisans. You can find all the videos.
All the videos of their stories, their personal stories, the way how they make these beautiful artworks, but in particular the story behind every artwork, their personal story, and they are all beautiful people who deserve at least your visit because they deserve to be popular. Then we have, this is from Caterina, this is from Alcamo, a beautiful, and also Daniela, a beautiful necklace. This is the Sicilian cartwheel, a ceramic, of course, cartwheel, and the chain is crochet by Daniela, has been crocheted by Daniela. I'm sorry because it's so small, difficult to focus, but you have crystal beads and a crochet chain. I think Liz Storm made a wonderful
choice
order. This is also from Daniela.
Poggiatelo sulla maglietta bianca che si vede meglio.
Ok, sulla mia panza.
Esatto.
This is also from Daniela, the crochet part. This is called tatting. And this is by Jonella, the same lady who paints the t-shirts and also the custom paintings. You can also order your favorite location in Sicily, perhaps your hometown, and Jonella will paint for you a customized painting. And also if you love the religious tradition, you can ask Jonella to paint for you one of the most popular saints. Then we have this is Tania. I recognize the packaging by Tania. Tania is the lady in Montelepre who's specialized in the jewelry inspired by the Sicilian flowers. Riesci a mettere a fuoco? Can you focus it?
No, è come se non ci fosse luce.
Lo so. Io l'altra volta te lo dicevo. It doesn't work because it's a little bit dark.
Maybe this way?
No, peggio.
No.
Guys,
Prova qui.
We are sorry because the light is not good and so the camera can't focus it. They are beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. Sono plumerie queste, giusto?
Yes, small plumeria.
This is a small plumeria earring. Pair of earrings. Cosa abbiamo poi? Che non mi ricordo più.
I gloves.
This
crochet gloves.
This is by Daniela as well. Also, you can also customize this item too. So you can choose the color of the gloves and also the color of the flowers.
Then we have the bottle from Claudio.
Claudio and Rosella, not Rosella with one S, Rossella. Rossella is Claudio's partner. they make wonderful items. In this case, this is a weaving bottle. You can use with your olive oil, for example. You can save your limoncello, and of course, this is also personalizable. I can say it. You can customize. Okay, sorry guys. You can customize your item, and Claudio is also the man who make other items like this. So this is the traditional panaro, the Sicilian basket. And we have a huge, plenty of choices, because you can find a small one till the biggest one. And last but not least, order this. This is our favorite item.
Would you like to take one of our apron, because I don't want to open this one.
So we don't want to unpack this item, this apron. This is an apron. I take Rosella's apron.
On you is perfect, Gianca. Everyone wants to see you again cooking. With the heart of Sicily Lover, hand is embroidered, and here you can find the Sicily shape with the 9 capital of province.
Yeah, I think you're too close. So this is a very useful pocket. You can fill it with the most important tools in your kitchen during your lunches, during your dinners, and also during our cooking classes, our virtual cooking classes. So thanks, Liz, to order this beautiful apron, because you are giving us the opportunity to say that perhaps in the next event, in the next virtual cooking classes, many of you will wear these beautiful aprons. Will be a very beautiful feast, a party all together.
This is embroidered, guys.
Everything is embroidered. The logo, also the Sicily shape, and the writing, Sicily Lover.
And of course, the apron is handmade by Gaia, our wonderful dressmaker, tailor.
Gaia is also the lady, the tailor who makes these beautiful artworks. And also the packaging. We didn't say that Gaia is the lady who make this.
This, then we have other color as well. More than 4, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
So this is our special gift for you guys, because we said ourselves to what can we do for them, for our friends. Do we have to use the classic plastic bags? And we say no, we have to be different, we have to be special. And so I think this is what do you think? Give us your feedback. It is not an item. This is the packaging. Again, I wanna say again. This is our effort to be different and to give you something useful, because you can use this bag, this packaging for many purposes.
Yeah. And last but not least, maybe it's better that way. Our letter to say thank you. So I would like to make one with you. So this is our special greetings and thank you for you. And there is also a surprise. And we close with our heart.
So we put hearts everywhere.
And what else, Gianca? Now it's time to make this package.
Yeah,
no?
because the courier will be here very soon. So in the meantime, we have no other opportunities to enjoy Sicily because it's raining. Our life is full of beautiful artworks to pack and to ship now.
Sorry if our English today is even more
Worse than
we are too tired.
No.
So our brain is really overloaded, and I cannot speak Italian, I cannot speak English, I only can speak Sicilian. Se volete vi parlo in siciliano vi faccio sapere le sogno veloci e non hai problemi, ma se comincio a parlare in inglese non capisci più niente e le parole non mi vengono in testa. Mi capisci voi?
Non ne capivo manco io, in soccorrissi. I didn't realize what Rosella said. Also, for me, it's very difficult.
Also, Gianca is a little bit today, no?
I'm so. I'm just like
maybe the weather.
I think I'm. We say meteoropatico in Italian. So when you are influenced by the weather, by the bad weather in particular, my mood is a little bit down.
You are like a slow motion, no?
I feel so happy because our first orders are going out. Are just to jump the ocean, to be at your house, but I don't know. I feel like I'm strange because of this very very bad rain. I didn't expect because
or
yesterday.
Maybe you are old, Gianca.
I'm also old, so this could be a reason. But I was expecting another beautiful day. Yesterday we had a beautiful, spectacular day, and oh, look at this. And now it's completely gray, and so my mood is down. So please put in your comments your beautiful words as always, because I need your help. Allora, che facciamo?
We don't want to.
Piglio un ferro di cavallo, che così facciamo a bere buono.
Chi ora la mappizzare in Napoita?
So I need to use this. So this is from Antonella, and I had to put in the entrance of my house in this way with the horns toward the sky. Again, this is a very powerful talisman, a lucky charm, and so use it in this way when you order this ferro di cavallo in Sicilian.
Positive vibes from Sicily.
Che facciamo?
Ma io dicessi che ancora a cama a travagliare non so chi così fare.
I have a solution for my mood. I could open some bottle, perhaps Jerry or Anthony Sanfilippo vodka. Jerry's pistachio cream is a little bit, I just say, lighter.
Maybe for the morning is better.
After lunch and after dinner, I will open the vodka from the Massachusetts.
Please don't make a bad impression with our Sicily Lovers community.
No. I'm joking, guys. Be careful. This is not good for your health. Alcohol is dangerous. Out of the joke, we only drink some beer, sometimes some wine, but not super alcoholic as we met each other. When we met each other, our
we were
lives,
young, Gianca.
we were so young and we were so in the position to drink. Now we are not in the same position. If I drink vodka, perhaps I sleep for 2 days.
Me too.
but we have to open that bottle.
At the end.
Perhaps
at the end
in company of good friends.
Maybe
Perhaps
the carrier.
the carrier is calling me.
Please
Perhaps.
check if it's the carrier. Please check. I would like to know.
No, it's not the carrier.
No, but it's coming because we wait for him at 2 o'clock, so it's coming very soon.
So we have just the time to say hello and thank to all the people who are watching us for your help, for your support, for you give us. I say always the same. I used to say you give us the courage to go ahead. And we need a lot of courage now because we are overloaded. Because the Sicily Lover project is now in the in the most important part.
Yeah.
We are now active. It's not a dream anymore. Now is something solid. And so then we have the group of 31 people from Switzerland who will arrive in Sicily in a few days.
Sunday, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
10, the 10th of October.
The 10th. And then we are surrounded by beautiful inquiries from a lot of people who want to visit Sicily next year. Next year will be a wonderful year. I bet. I have no doubt. Because the pandemic, the bad things will be away.
Yeah.
Definitivamente. We have no doubt that for many people, for the majority of you, it will be the right year to visit Sicily.
Oh, Liz Storm is here.
Ciao, Liz. I don't see the other comments.
I hope that she started watching this live broadcast from the beginning, because on the table we have your items. So.
I hope so. Liz, I don't know if you've been following us from the very beginning, but this is your artworks, your items.
Here on the table, we are going to package your item. So check the live broadcast from the beginning and you can see.
Okay, I think it's time to say bye-bye, because now we risk to be late with the DHL carrier.
Yeah.
And we don't want to make the bad impression from the very beginning. This is our first shipping, and so Rosella,
we want to be on time, professional, serious, no?
we have to
good boys.
We have to become friends with this courier, because we will see him
maybe every day.
Like
a new member of family.
I can see. I have no glasses. Say hello to Victoria. Say hello
to everyone. We love you. It's time to go home very fast, guys.
I switch on you because I wanna hand the live broadcast. Ciao, guys. I see you next time. Rosella, this is for you. No, mettiti là, bagnati.
Non a fare bagnare.
Under the rain.
Why?
Perhaps you grow up.
Maybe it's your dream and also mine, maybe. Guys, we love you. Thank you for your love. Please share this live broadcast with your friends. Invite them to follow us. Put your thumbs up. Write in the comments about your feeling. And see you in the next days. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao! Good morning from Sicily! Your packages, your boxes will come soon to your house. So let's check. Ciao Alessandro, buongiorno! Alessandro is our courier and we have a lot of boxes today. We have here Lori, then we have Christine Kramer Sant'Angelo, then we have Frank Verducci, then we have Annette Higgins, then we have Colin Pasqualetto, Then we have down Bamonde. And then we have Maria Quagenti. And Gianca, look at Gianca over there. Gianca is coming with the heavy boxes. Hard job for Gianca. The heavy boxes. So other 3 boxes. Then we have other boxes here. So Alessandro today is very busy with us.
Hello everyone. Allora, Jonathan Stell.
Jonathan Stell, is your pack.
Sherry.
Sherry, this is your pack with love from Sicily.
Then we have Pamela Quattrocchi.
Pamela Quattrocchi, your box.
Barbara Holmes.
Barbara Holmes, your pack.
Andrea Ricker.
Andrea Ricker. And
last but not least, Liz Storm.
Liz Storm, your package. Your pack.
Abbiamo finito.
And for today is all. Tomorrow the second
part.
No, the third part, sorry. Grazie Alessandro, buon lavoro. Ciao. Please taking care of our packs.
Switcha.
Ciao.
Oh guys, this is a wonderful day. Today we have no rain. The sky is very clear, very, how do you say? It's blue. We have some clouds, but no rain at all. Look at that. You can see the Tyrrhenian Sea, and I would like to give you a better view from the balcony.
Our house is a disaster.
No, I don't film the house, the warehouse, as somebody said. The house is a mess. Open the window. Andiamo al balcone.
Ok.
Oh, wonderful. As you can see, guys, today is a perfect day for shipping. So, Rosella, are you happy?
So happy. So today is our second day of shipping. We ship more than 15 different orders, and tomorrow other orders, other shippings are waiting for us. It's a hard job, but we did it.
Let me say that we are still collecting other artworks. So even if you made a late order, we are including the last items. So to give you a fast shipping, because we are shipping everything. also the orders from the last days, last
We
week.
are waiting for Antonella because
Yeah.
Antonella is very overloaded. We are waiting also
Let me
for
say,
Jonella.
who's Antonella? Antonella is the lady involved in the making of the Sicilian card artwork style. So the artworks in the Sicilian card style. Not only the Sicilian cards, also the jewelry, also the paintings. She makes. She's making a kaffa. Oh, sorry. She's making a mocha coffee maker also in the Sicilian card style.
Yeah.
And we are waiting for also for Jonella
for the custom ancestral hometowns painting.
for Michael Cureri. And there was another painting dedicated Cindy Carson dedicated to Ali Minusa.
Yes.
So
And also we are waiting for some pottery.
yeah, also potteries from Santo Stefano di Camastra and Caterina
Yes.
from Alcamo.
Yes. For
And
example,
so,
the Moorish hat for the Gonzalez family.
yeah,
The big son, I don't remember for who, maybe Mary Betancourt.
The big
also
son, the big son,
Trinac.
yeah.
So they are working for you guys. And please, if you want to place your order in time for Christmas, think about your order now.
right now, guys.
Because it's a must for us and also for our artisans. So
let me say that our artisans are already overloaded, so we are receiving a lot of orders. We were expecting a good starting, but a good start, but we are going beyond our expectations, and so the artisans involved in our project are very, very busy. So be careful if you wanna order something for you. It's okay, don't worry. But if you wanna gift something to your beloved ones, be careful, because perhaps it's better you order now if you wanna gift something for the Christmas time.
yes,
So
yes. To be on time. Yeah.
this is not, how do you say, a promotional advertising. We are true. We are honest. This is the true situation. Our artisans are overloaded because everything is handmade for you. So we don't have any store, any.
Yeah.
We don't collect items. We only give our artisans the order once you place the order, so they make everything for you in the same time.
Yeah.
So not before.
Sure, because everything is made with love here in Sicily, our beloved island.
And as you can see, today the weather is perfect. Rosella's superpowers are now
working for the next week, because we are waiting for the 30 people from Switzerland.
31.
31, and so we hope to gift them with beautiful sunny days here in Sicily, because you know Sicily is the land of sun. So
But
what a bad impression!
The most important
it's going to rain.
the most important thing, let me say, I don't wanna exaggerate, I don't wanna overdo, non voglio parlare assai, but we used to say in our, when we plan our tours of Sicily, we used to say we include the accommodation, we include the transportation, the English-speaking drivers, the English-speaking local guides, meals, food and wine experiences, and we also include sun during the entire trip. So, Rosella, we don't say it. We don't have to reveal it, but
No, because
it's
I can
our
lose
secret.
my power. I can lose my power.
But they are good people, and so I don't care about in Sicily we are afraid when we have some people envious, jealous. They can ruin everything, okay? But you guys, you belong to the beautiful Sicily Lover family, so I trust you. You are not jealous, you are not envious, so you will not ruin Rosella superpowers. Rosella superpowers consist of the control of the weather. You know, guys, not like the HARPA project in Alaska. No, nothing to do with the antennas point to the sky. No, this is not a climate control. This is Rosella superpower. So when Rosella says tomorrow is sunny, tomorrow actually is sunny. So
It's the Sicily Lovers power.
no, out of the joke, it's just like a personal effort. You know, when we are involved in a beautiful tour of Sicily, we've been planning this tour of Sicily for a long time. In this case, the people from Switzerland had to come to Sicily last year.
Yeah.
They can't because of the COVID.
We rescheduled for 3 times.
We had to reschedule, we had to postpone everything, and so it's a long time since we are planning, we are working on this tour, and so it's a personal question, a personal business. We want give them the best, and also the sun.
Yes.
The best weather. So the forecasting was so bad in the last days. They said about 3 or 4 rainy days during their trip. Now things are changing, and so Rosella, please be careful. You have to do your best to change everything. Yesterday we had a lot of rain. Perhaps we have some rain also tomorrow, but we hope that the most of the rain will fall. So in a few days the sky will be completely clear. And we will give you evidence of this tour, of course, because we will be
live again.
We will film everything. They have a very, very beautiful, a short tour of Sicily, just 8 days. But it's a sort of summary of the best that Sicily has to offer, can offer.
Don't forget, Gianca, they also booked your footages reportage.
Yeah.
So you have to do a lot of pictures. Don't forget.
I have included a reportage during the entire tour, of course, for free, because this is one of my passions. So I will be very glad to take some pictures. When I say some, I mean hundreds pictures. And so, of course, I will also film the entire tour, and we will make different live broadcasts, as always, just to give you guys the chance to be connected with your beloved island, because we know that you care about Sicily. There is a beautiful connection with many of you, not only the people who have a Sicilian origin. I know that Sicily now has become very popular, and we have also people who don't have any origin in Sicily, but they love watching the best locations, because perhaps they are studying their next trip to Sicily, and so this is our passion. This is our opportunity to promote our beloved island. Guys, sta volando tutto. Che facciamo vedere?
Show, yes, our Sicilian style way to dry dresses, our hand-painted T-shirt.
Falla avvirire.
It's on reverse, but here the hand-painted T-shirt, because you can wash not only to see, but also to wear, of course.
Yeah, it's very, very. How do you say? The painting works very well. You can wash.
Yes, it's washable.
It's not a hand washable T-shirt, so you can use your wash machine.
Yes.
Without any troubles.
Delicate cycle.
Yeah. Andiamo a fare un bagno, no?
Ma andiamo a preparare i pacca per domani, Gianca. We need to manage all the boxes for tomorrow.
I would like to to guarantee all the people are watching, if they are not mentioned in this shipping, we will ship tomorrow and in the next days.
So be patient.
So, for example, who we are waiting for? Cindy Carson.
Yeah.
Then we have another
We are
order.
waiting for someone. Yes.
That's
we
not
have something.
complete. As I said, there are still there are items that are missing, not missing, that we are waiting for to be complete
But of
by the
course,
artisans.
you will receive an alert from our email and also from the carrier, of course.
Yeah.
So, look at the street when the yellow DHL will come to your house.
And something that I realized yesterday. We've been working with the best international couriers, such as UPS and DHL. In the first orders, I don't know why we decided to choose DHL because they offer a faster shipping. But yesterday I realized that while UPS has a brown color, DHL has yellow and red colors.
The colors of Sicily! It's destiny!
This is destiny. We are very, very happy to work with them because it's just like we are promoting the Sicilian flag, the Sicilian colors all around the world. So guys, I don't have the glasses. Would you like to read the comments? I put the glasses.
Yes.
I wear the glasses.
So we can start. Ciao Alisa! Ciao Liz! Yes, received alerts from both just a few minutes ago. Yes, Liz, your box is on the way. Then, Roseanne, also your box is on the way. Debbie, ciao Debbie. Susan.
Forse siamo messi un po' al vento.
Sì, forse sì.
Ci mettiamo più in qua. Ecco, fermati qua.
Ok.
Because of the wind, we are moving. Because we are afraid that you don't hear anything.
Then we have Cinzia, our tombolo.
Oh, Oksana!
Ciao Oksana!
It's a long time since we didn't see you in this chat, in this community. How are you, Oksana?
Ciao Rosario!
Rosario, Susan Lemos.
Sue Anderson, I hope my package is in there. I can't wait to get there. I have to check, Susan.
Perhaps Sue is planned for tomorrow. I don't. Let me.
I have to check.
Let me see.
Tornado in Catania. Yes, we had bad weather in Catania. In particular, some flow, but the most of people are fine. So don't worry, guys. Ciao, Peter. Ciao, Irene. Ciao, Fred. Oh, Uncle John. Ciao, Uncle John.
So we have to ship Nerina, the big box to Katie O'Brien.
Yeah.
We have I think Sue is the same. Sue Petrax, I think it's the same. But I don't want to get wrong.
No, we will write in the comments. I'm going to check because of too many orders, so it's not easy to remind everything. Ciao, Debbie.
But because it's so easy to pack the box, it's very difficult to complete the bureaucracy
to ship. Yeah.
To ship, because we have to be sure that all the documents are working.
Yes, for the custom.
Custom clearance is very difficult, in particular when we ship to the US. It's easier when we ship to the other countries in Europe, but to the US, to Canada, we have to fill a long list of required documents. And so, how long did you take to make one order?
More than 30 minutes per one.
30 minutes, guys, because we have to upload all the information to regarding the single item. We have to specify
the description,
the features of each item, because they open the box and they check and they say, oh, what it is. So we have to be very, very careful.
Maybe if at the custom there is some Sicilian guys, they could order also.
They could appreciate the Sicily Lover artwork, and so perhaps they could be jealous.
Yeah.
I hope they don't steal your artwork.
Guys, we love you. See you tomorrow or in the next days. We are working for you, and so be patient.
For sure, we will see from Erice on Sunday.
Yes, for sure.
Because next Sunday, the group from Switzerland will fly into Palermo early in the morning, and so we will greet them at the airport, and we will drive straight to Erice, the beautiful medieval town in front of Trapani, in the westernmost point of Sicily. It will be, I think, a great live broadcast, because
they also have a cooking class.
They have a cooking class in Erice, and then we will visit the medieval town with one of the best views in Sicily.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ciao, Paul, Lucio,
Ciao, Paul.
and his beautiful wife are two of our Sicily Lovers guests in the next Sicily Lovers tour. So we can wait to spend great time with you and your wife.
But for those who don't know, for those who didn't understand what the Sicily Lovers tour is, let me explain a little bit. We plan every year a group tour of Sicily, a small group tour. This is dedicated to 20 people, 20 Sicily lovers. That's why we decided to name the tour Sicily Lovers Tour. It will take place in Sicily from June 4th to June 15th.
Yes.
I don't want to get wrong because I planned the tour, so I would make a bad impression. The tour is sold out.
Yeah.
No available spots yet. We are thinking about a second edition.
Maybe we are thinking about this
because it's over beyond our expectation. We can't realize that we had a successful result. So perhaps we will make another edition, another Sicily Lover Tour, but it's up to you guys. You could say, for example, you can write in the comments if you wanna join the second edition, which is your best dates, which is your best time to visit Sicily, and then we can decide to
plan the second edition according to your dates.
According to your best possible dates. Perhaps in late June or perhaps in September. You decide, guys. Let us know.
Oh, Alisa, you do have a second one, the Spadafora Lovers Tour, of course. We can wait to hug all the Spadafora family.
In the next days, Alisa, you will receive everything. We are late. We know that we are guilty. We are very, very busy. But once we ship the last items to the Sicily Lovers, we will start working on your tour. Yeah. The beautiful Spadafora family 2022. And
yes.
It's
during the Easter time.
This is Easter time, so I think it will be amazing because they are a lot of people. So
a beautiful group
with a beautiful reunion with their relatives in Sicily.
In Caccamo, my hometown.
Thank you, Alisa. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your for understanding our situation. We are very, very busy, but very happy because things are working again. The tourism industry is very, very exciting now because the 2022 season seems to be excellent. Everyone wants to come to Sicily, and so we can wait to arrange, to plan all these beautiful tours. And our Sicily Lover project, the Sicily Lover Online Store, how do you say, was born after 9 months, and so we can be happier. We can be happier.
I only miss one thing.
Yeah.
The virtual cooking class. A lot of people are asking for the virtual cooking class, so let's try to make another virtual cooking class within the end of November.
Yeah.
Let's try, Gianca.
I will. I do say me lo segno. I will take note.
Yes, I know. Yes,
Mo me lo segno.
All the people are waiting for the virtual cooking class. I know. It's more than it's almost 1 year, Gianca. The last one was in December, so I can understand. They miss, and also we miss this event.
Have you ever seen a very, very beautiful Italian movie named Non ci resta che piangere? Beautiful movie with Roberto Benigni and Massimo Troisi. And there was a monk who said many times to Massimo Troisi, remember that you have to die. Remember. As Rosella says, remember, Gianca, remember this. And I used to say, mo me lo segno, as Massimo Troisi said in the movie. It means now I will take note. So one more thing to make our load heavier, but our soul is so light because it's full of good vibes. So I don't mind. Perhaps I will die soon. I will die young, but I will die very, very happy because I will make some people happy. Yeah. So no matter out of the joke, no matter if we are planning a lot of tours, we will also plan the first virtual cooking class in November.
We will try.
But this is an evidence. So it's just like I'm signing a contract.
I can wait to see our dear Sicily lovers wearing our apron.
Yeah, I think this is the best. We've been dreaming for a long time this apron. You know, it was one of the most complicated items because we planned, we designed the logo, we designed the pocket with the. Fai vedere un grembiule, piglio grembiule. Grembiule. Let's display the apron. So the apron is spectacular, but the most spectacular thing will be when all the Sicily lover in the same class will wear the apron. So all together we will make a feast. Aspetta che ti inquadro. Unni sì. Aspetta. Vieni qua. This is entirely embroidered by a tailor with the 9 different capital or province of Sicily: Trapani, Palermo, Agrigento, Caltanissetta, Enna, Ragusa, Siracusa, Catania, and Messina. Sicily Lover, and our beautiful logo that's also embroidered. The beautiful lady, this is my favorite woman in the world.
After me, of course.
After
Gianca.
you, after my mom, after Ginevra. No. The Trinacria ranks first. Number 1 in my special rank.
Okay, Gianca, now it's time to go because at 2 o'clock we have an appointment.
Yeah.
So we are late.
Yeah, we are late. Okay, guys, just the time, just the chance to wish you a wonderful day. My gimbal is not working anymore. As you can see, the horizon is not correct, but it's okay. We are super happy and we love you. Thank you for your beautiful comments. And please forgive us if we are not in the position to reply everyone. We are late. We have to.
Gianca will do.
I will do later.
We divide the
job.
The job, the housework that is no the.
Rosella.
Come si dicono i compiti per casa?
Don't worry. Rosella will do the shipping documents. Because it's very, very hard job, and I will reply all the comments. I know that we are very late. We have to reply to the live broadcast, the comments.
We have more than 20 different live broadcasts to reply.
We didn't reply to the comments during the live broadcast
with the
San Filippo family when we were in I think in Syracuse. So we are very late. We have to manage a lot of comments.
And
but
please, sorry, Gianca, I would like to remind them to help us visiting our new website SiciliLover.com because we need your help. We are new, and so for Google to be on the first position, we need just your visit. It doesn't matter if you don't buy, if you don't order, don't place an order. Please, just visit our website, SiciliLover.com, and share with your friends, invite them to have a look.
Please don't misunderstand. This is not an advertising. We don't want you to buy. We only wish that you visit the SiciliLover.com, the website, to make it more reliable, to put our website in the first page of Google. This is the best for us. We don't ask anything else.
And help us to spread the love for Sicily all around the world.
And thank to all the people, let me say, who make the hard job for us. I saw some comments of people asking, "Oh, what do you sell? What do you do?" And the beautiful people like Nerina, like I don't remember, Jerry Genovese replied for us. They do this, they sell this. So thank you for your help. This is incredible, guys. This is one of the best communities that I could ever imagine because it's unbelievable your help. So from Sicily Soul, now we have to say bye-bye.
Yes, today, yes.
We have to have a short lunch and then we have to work all the day because we are late. We have to ship, guys. I give Rosella the word for the final sentence. Ciao! A te l'onore.
From Sicily, what? Love, hugs, and kisses! Ciao!